Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can dress up as a mummy on Dress to Impress. So color your skin tone this color or white. I'll just color it like that. For the outfit, it is actually pretty simple to do. Get this top and I'm going to turn on the turtleneck and we're going to use the mummy pattern for all of it to obviously become a mummy. I'm going to use this as well as these with all of the same pattern. Then for everything else, I'm just going to use this again with that mummy pattern, and then this too. Then for the hair, I'm just going to use the like moving hair here. Color it this color and then select more animated. You can absolutely add on layers if you would like to. So it looks like the paper, I don't know, the paper is like falling off or something. But that's totally up to you if you want to layer. I know like I use the same thing to layer over and over again. But this is just if you want to do that. The bow is really out of place, but you can also maybe add like some custom makeup to it if it even shows up. Yeah, it does, surely a little bit. Yeah, maybe just like a little. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!